Hello guys, I have to start it. And hello. Okay. Uh, for today, let's just look at some papers. This one, Negin sent me and told me they are working with it's possible that they are working with a data set that has multiple clicks in it. Good to look at it. And then so what else I have on my desktop? This one also. Twitter's recommendation algorithm. I think we read this one. Oh wait. Alright, I don't want to look at the Twitter paper, but this one is interesting and I want to look at it. But I don't want to get involved with the math. We want to just know what is their data set. What their data set is. Let's open ChatGPT. Let's open ChatGPT. Let's open Speechify. As well. Trader Joe's. I have to go there. I have to go to Trader Joe's. And they close at 9. So
Intra-category multi-choice preferences learning and assortment recommendation in e-commerce. Hong Yuan Linear Faculty of Business for Science.
Alright, intra-category multi-choice. Oh, multi-choice, that's good. Preference learning and assortment recommendation in e-commerce. Hong Yuan Lin, Faculty of Business for Science and Technology, School of Management. So this is from University of China, Science and Technology. The second person is from Singapore, National University of Singapore. Third one is from People's Republic of China. No university though. Okay. This paper proposes a framework for learning customer preferences and optimizing e-commerce assortment. Well, that's exactly what we want to do. Actually, that's really good. All right, focusing on intra-category multi-choice behavior. Intra-category. Well, category sounds similar. Multi-choice. Let's see what they mean by it. Where customers buy multiple items within the same category, or they click on it. Buying multiple items sounds not really related, but clicking on multiple items within the same category is what we are looking for. Unlike traditional discrete choice model that assumes single product purchases, e-commerce data show, not shows. Frequent intra-category multi-product purchases, especially during promotions. To capture this, we introduce the multi-choice rank list model, MCRLM multi-choice rank list model, within account for both multi-choice and substitution effects. Multi-choice and substitution effects. Each customer type is defined by a preference ranking and an intended purchase quantity, IPQ, intended purchase quantity, allowing selection of up to IPQ products. The MCRLM adheres to the regularity axioms and aligns with random utility theory. We present the multi-choice Alright, we may need to use 3D printers, but before that, let's focus on work. I'll get back to animing it later. Alright, so which accounts for both multi-choice and then allowing selection of up to IPQ products. The MCRLM adheres to the regularity axioms and aligns with random utility theory. Oh, random utility theory is so interesting. It is very related. Actually, I like this paper because I was at this conference. They were talking about horizontal and vertical, and then felt very connected, related. We present the multi-choice market discovery, MCMD, Markov chain, Monte Carlo Markov, MCMD, not MCMs, algorithm to estimate the MCRLM extending. Like, dude, one paragraph you already made 5 or 3, I don't know, 5 or 4 abbreviation. Fuck that. Extending everything to multi-page setting. We also introduce behavior reveal preference. Behavior reveal preference. What does that mean? Rules using customer behavior data, click cart addition to enhance preference estimation. So they are in our, actually, they are related to us. Given the NP hardness of the assortment optimization problem, we analyze the performance of revenue ordered assortment heuristic and provide guarantees. The problem is formulated as a mixed integer linear program that can generate personalized recommendation based on real-time customer data. So I think this paper, we were just interested in the data set they are using. Now it seems it is more related. However, let's just keep our focus on the data set. Extensive numerical experiments, including a case study using Tmall data, demonstrates that the MCRLM outperforms models such as the independent choice model ICM and the multi-purchase multinomial logic in predictive accuracy, with BRP rules further enhancing performance. Synthetic experiments confirm that accurately modeling multi-purchase behavior significantly boosts expected revenue. E-commerce assortment optimization, multi-purchase behavior, non-parametric choice model, click-stream data. Introduction, e-commerce assortment optimization, multi-purchase behavior, non-parametric choice model, click-stream data. Introduction, understanding customer preferences and leveraging this knowledge to strategically plan product assortments are crucial for maximizing revenue in retail. Discrete choice models are widely used to model customers' demand for substitutable products and assist decision makers in assortment planning. Gallego and Topoluga for a comprehensive review. Most of these models assume that each customer purchases at most one product at a time, which is reasonable premise for high-priced items like cars. I mean, multi-click makes sense, not multi-purchase. Smartphones, however, intra-category multi-purchase behavior, where customers buy multiple products within the same category, is common in practice. For example, consumers may purchase several lipsticks in different shades or various clothing styles for different occasions. Real-world data support this phenomenon. According to Bai et al., data from a leading flash sales e-retailer show that in categories like underwear and dresses, over 40% of customers buy multiple distinct items within the same categories. Underwear. Why you should mention underwear? Our analysis of a publicly available datasets from Tmall, one of China's largest e-commerce platform, further corroborates this behavior. Details provided in section 6.1, such multi-purchase occur more frequently during promotional campaigns. Figure 1, when well-known brands offer step discounts for a limited time. Lazada. During a campaign on Lazada, what is Lazada? And then we have also these lip balms. On recommendation following checkout on Amazon. So also they are working on it. Despite its prevalence, intra-category multi-purchase behavior and the associated assortment planning have received limited attention in the existing literature, particularly in the context of e-commerce retail, while substantial research has addressed assortment planning under traditional single purchase choice models in brick-and-mortar settings. Studies focus on learning customers' preference and planning assortments for e-commerce are gaining increasing attention in physical stores. Tracking customer products interaction beyond sales transactions is challenging. In contrast, e-retailers can easily collect extensive customer behavior data, including search queries, browsing patterns, click histories, and shopping cart activity. These data, often referred to as side information, provide valuable insights for predicting future purchase and brand loyalty, enabling retailers to better understand customer preferences and make more informed decisions. Alright, in the footnote in this paper, we use multi-purchase and multi-choice interchangeably. Both refer to choosing multiple distinctive alternatives. Conversely, we use single purchase, single choice, and single choice interchangeably to denote choosing a singular. Offer various methods of recommending products beyond merely displaying items on shelves, such as front page banner advertisements and personalized product suggestions based on browsing history. Consequently, retailers must adjust assortment recommendation at different stages of the customer's journey. In this work, we focus on modeling intra-category multi-purchase behavior and where is it? In this work, we focus on modeling intra-category multi-purchase behavior and developing assortment planning strategies for various e-commerce scenarios, collectively referred to as assortment recommendation. The effectiveness of an assortment decision critically depends on accuracy, capturing customers' preference, and understanding their choice behavior, particularly whether they purchase single or multiple products under traditional models, where customers purchase at most one product. Offering a wide range of alternatives could lead to cannibalization, as lower profit products may detract from the sales of higher profit items. Retailers often limit their assortment to maximize revenue. However, when customers exhibit intra-category multi-purchase behavior, this conventional insight may not apply. Providing a broader assortment could increase revenue, as customers may intend to purchase multiple items. To illustrate this point, consider the following example. I like examples, so I read it. Alright, I'm tired. I let the chat GPT read.
Example 1. Assortment optimization with intra-category multi-purchases. Suppose a retailer offers two products, I1 and I2, with profits of $10 and $9, respectively. The market consists of two types of customers in equal proportions. Type A customers prefer I1 over I2 and both over the no purchase option, while Type B customers prefer I2 over I1 and both over the no purchase option. If each customer intends to purchase at most one product, the optimal assortment is to offer only I1. Both customer types will purchase I1, yielding an expected revenue of $10. Offering both products leads to cannibalization. Type A customers buy I1, but Type B customers switch to I2, reducing the expected revenue to $9.50. However, if all customers intend to purchase multiple products, offering both I1 and I2 becomes optimal. Both customer types purchase both products, yielding an expected revenue of $19, a 90% increase over offering only I1.
Example.
This example
bullshit.
illustrates that ignoring such multi-purchase behavior can lead to suboptimal assortment decisions and significant revenue
why don't
loss.
they buy two of them?
Beyond assortment planning, considering intra-category multi-purchase behavior offers a novel understanding of e-commerce recommendations. Traditional DCMs assume customers purchase at most one product per category, suggesting that recommending additional similar products after a purchase would be ineffective. However, many e-commerce platforms routinely recommend products within the same category even after a customer has checked out. Example Figure 2, recognizing that customers may be willing to purchase additional items from the same category. By incorporating the multi-purchase behavior into consideration, we reconcile this apparent inconsistency between traditional theory and observed practices. Customers may indeed be open to purchasing additional products within the same category, making such post-purchase recommendations logical and effective. This insight highlights the importance of accounting for multi-choice behavior in assortment recommendation strategies. Lin, Li, and Wu, Intra-Category Multi-Choice Preferences Learning and Assortment Recommendation in E-Commerce. In summary, this paper presents a comprehensive framework for e-commerce assortment planning that leverages customer behavioral data to learn preferences and optimizes assortment recommendations for intra-category multi-choice scenarios. The key contributions of this work are as follows. First, we introduce the multi-choice rank list model, MCRLM, to capture customers' intra-category multi-choice and substitution behaviors. In the MCRLM, each customer type is represented by a preference ranking over all products, including the no purchase option, and an intended purchase quantity queue. If the number of available products that the customer prefers exceeds Q, they select the Q highest ranked items, otherwise, they purchase all preferred products that rank higher than the outside option. The MCRLM adheres to the regularity axiom and provides a flexible framework for modeling rational multi-purchase behavior within a single category. Moreover, we demonstrate its consistency with random utility theory by...
So okay, they have some paper, but I'm not putting some files now. Not this. What is publicly available dataset from Tmall, one of China's largest e-commerce platforms. From the paper, using a publicly available dataset from Tmall, we demonstrate that the MCRLM effectively captures intra-category multi-purchase behavior. How you can access it. The paper itself does not include a direct link to the Tmall dataset, but the Tmall dataset frequently referenced in academic research is called the Tianqi Tmall dataset, sometimes referred to as the Tmall recommendation data or Tianqi mobile recommendation data. Find it on Alibaba Cloud's Tianqi platform here. Why not on Kaggle? Oh shit, this is all Chinese, I cannot read it. Alright, Tmall user behavior data. Search this one too. Maybe it is on Kaggle. Dude, they don't have a Google Translate version of this page. Search me. So we have Tmall recommendation dataset, rec Tmall. This dataset comes from the first Tmall recommendation algorithm competition and is provided by Tmall. What year, by the way? This paper. Is year. Doesn't say the year though. Oh, 2022. 76 pages. Wow. So from National University of Singapore, Alibaba Group, University of Science and Technology, China. Perfect. Alright, fuck this. I should do something. I could write it. Multi-choice preference learning and assortment recommendation. Get distracted, but it was important. Alright, intra-category multi-choice preference learning and assortment. What? Okay, dataset. Here is not. This is not this. This is not this. This is the one that ChatGPT gave me. Where is Tmall? Oh, Tmall recommendation data set. Let me check Kaggle as well. Oh, it's So what is it? Rec Tmall brand and item data from Tmall recommendation contest 2022. Tmall is an important business unit of Alibaba Group. As the top B2C platform in China, Rec Tmall is a set of recommendation related data provided by Tmall. So what are they? Sam Tianchi 201 4001 Rec Tmall products. What CSV? Sample Tianchi, and then we have all of them. Then we have Tianchi recommendation, Tmall review, Z product. Overview. Tmall is an important business unit of as a top B2C sample. The recommendation related data for Tmall, Tianchi. It contains 8 million rows, which correspond to the attributes of 8 million items on Tmall. In each row, there are 6 figures listed as follows. Description, item ID and integer. So we have an item ID, we have title, we have picture, we have category, we have brand, we have seller. Tianchi Rec Tmall. We have item ID, user ID. I want to see if we have the rank. We have action, click, collect, cart, Alipay. We have VTime. We have item ID, user ID, feedback, rate, citation. What about the rank? Let's take a look at one of these samples. I'm going to log in to Alibaba. Sign with Google. Oh, you want everything from me. Why you want Why do they need my address? Just let me say something wrong. Billing information. I don't know. Colorado. I say Colorado. What is their business? I just want their data set. Colorado. City is Boulder. Actually Boulder, yes. And postal code is also 35473. Exact next page. Address line 1 is 456 Creek Street. Ah! I don't want to have a select. Why should I give you my... Oh fuck dude, this is... Why do they need my credit card information? I don't get it. PayPal credit card. I don't want that. I don't want to give them my credit card. So it seems there is no Tmall data. The Tmall data we are looking for, it's not, they are not on Kaggle. It's only on this Chinese website. Which asks for my credit card information. Alright, let me also do my design here. So I think we are gonna install it anyway. I will do it here. Alright guys, you know what? I should not do this stuff in front of camera. Here we are to do research. Let's do our research. Oh, fuck this. Alright, let's fucking... How much money I have in my credit card? Nothing. New a notebook. What does that? Oh shit, we didn't need to. Seller ID, brand ID, picture URL, title, item ID. So that's the bullshit data set I don't want. Let's see what else. So it was sample TNG, Rectimal products, Rectimal review. Oh, okay. Log. Then we have the whole data set. So there is some feedback written, and then you rate their IUD, if they have IUD or not. So it doesn't have ranking. And then what else? Alright, the sample stock. Rectimal log, dot part C, part B, part A, product, and they are order of gigabytes. But it doesn't have the ranking. it doesn't include the ranking of the items. User ID, item ID, category ID, action tabs. Okay, then it sucks. I don't know how it can use. You wanna see the effect of ranking? Alright. Alright, it seems it doesn't have it. Okay guys, alright, now I'm good. Now let's put some times and let's see if ChatGPT can make something I have in mind. Alright, so hello ChatGPT. So I have photos. So what is the problem? My problem is that I have this. I use the wired earpods because every time I use the wireless ones, I lost them like 4 in a row, and then I don't have any more money. So I want to have them, but I don't want to fucking put them in my pocket like this because they get all inside each other. And so I looked at Amazon. They have some options that there's a circle and you put all the, let me show you here. Put all the circle in a circle, the wire, so the wire doesn't get tied to itself. And then we have also for the wireless, but okay, this way, but there is no option that keeps these ones clean, and like there is no case for them. So what happens is that, right, here. What should I search? Apple earpod container. So I want something like, look at them, right? They don't keep these heads or whatever, earbuds, whatever they are, covered. And then we have this one, which I don't think, yeah, this one doesn't do the good job in not letting all these wires make a puzzle. So I want something that has both of them. Oh, that is exactly what I want, actually. Oh shit, that's amazing. Thanks God. It's a bit big, but it's quite the thing I want. Oh, I found it. I think it's too big now. What is cable? Oh, this is for a cable, here for earbuds. iWatch. Alright, earbuds. So, okay. I didn't find this one so far. So it's already, what about this one? This is nice. I want something smaller. Where is it? That's it. Okay, they already have it. So I wanted to design it for myself. Fuck that. Why is it so big though? Well, okay, the heads take that circle. So that should be that size almost. This is cute. They just have this color. Oh shit, we can also return. Alright guys, I think we can play. Give me a fucking. I'm so rusty. Ooh, who's shooting? Fast. Did you see the whole thing? That's when it gets all red doesn't mean I'm the worst player. Yep, sounds like that. Yeah, I think when you're the worst player you get all red. Ah, what the fuck? Wow. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. One for one. You had 4 people on that side. What's happening? What the fuck? Woo! Almost. Well, we had improvement.